as Gotham's veins slowly filled with pain and suffering. The effects were felt everywhere. My father fell first, infected by some foul disease. My mother lived on, but only in a dream. I returned to the family home to care for her, where she remained in her bed for as long as her body continued to breathe. Her tears kept me awake at night.
Joker here with a little update for you all. First, the good news. We have Dr. Young. Bad news, she's not talking. She's in the documents somewhere in the mansion. I want it found. I've got a plan on 600 a ton, but in the meantime, search every cook and granny. There's a prize for whoever finds them.
I need to find those notes before Joker does.
Come on, keep looking. Joker wants to know found. Look everywhere. Right. That's why I cut my buddy's legs. Joker was like 4 hours. Where is it? It's the bat! Died, Batman. Is he okay? You okay, buddy?
View 1. Patient was referred to me after the incident with Dr. Murphy. He appears to have suffered a breakdown of sorts. I believe it was brought about after the loss of his wife and child. As yet, the patient has been unable to speak. Continued observation shows little mental activity. It's as if the shock of what he saw triggered his mental collapse.
There's someone in here! It's him. We found him. Break down the door!
Note to self, as ever, it is difficult to continue my research under such conditions.
Step away from Dr. Combs! Now! Get down on the ground! We found them. Someone get a medic. Oh, God, what's he done to him?
Where did she go? Answer me!
I said I don't know. She could be anywhere.
Are you looking to die? Are you?
I'm not sure.
What's that collar do? Why is it making that noise?
It's the suicide collar. It sounds weird.
Suicide collar?
Well, they've got some other name, but, well, we just use them to monitor patients' heartbeats. If it drops too low, the alarm goes off and a crash team rushes in.
And so does my crew if you trigger one. How do you like them apples, bats? Standing around in the... let's see... the West Wing. They'd be there now if they weren't busy knocking a little sense into cash. I'll tell you what. I won't spoil the surprise and let them know you're coming.
Hit him again! Harder!
You're gonna need more than that. Why, you? Get your on the radio.
Hit him again! Harder!
You're gonna need more than that. Why, you? Get your on the radio. Tell him that.
Tell us what hurts.
Tell us, or we'll cut off your other hand. Do what you want. I'm not talking.
Sure you will. Harley Quinn is on her way up here soon. She knows ways to loosen your tongue.
And you don't want to find out how she does it.
She can do her worse. I ain't talking, period. You want me to talk? Make me.
Come on. What's she need?
Listen to me. I just got word that Batman murdered 15 of my crew. Tore their heads off and ate their hearts. What an animal. You better stop him before he hits someone else.
We don't.
I'll cut off his other hand if he tries anything. Do what you want.
Tell him.
Batman's as good as dead.
Now you guys may want to have a look on the walkways. Someone left you a gift.
I found someone over here. Come on, wake up. Damn it, he's up cold. Anyone got a way out of this? Shut up and keep looking. I'm sure it came from over there. are you?
There were 6 guys, all armed.
Not anymore. Stay silent and I'll be back.
Doing this? What's going on? Shut up and keep looking. Batman, can you hear me? Show yourself!
Who the hell wants to protect an old room full of books anyway?
Are you blind? Look down on the ground! There's something down there, and I don't like it!
You heard Joker!
Bye-bye, Beth. Mwah!
Hit him again! Harder!
You're gonna need more than that.
Why, you? Get Joker on the radio. Sure it came from over there. Die, Batman! It's over here!
Hit him again! Harder!
You're gonna need more than that.
Why, you? Get Joker on the radio. Tell him he's not talking.
Tell us where the bitch went.
Tell us, or we'll cut off your other hand. Do what you want. I'm not talking.
Sure you will. Harley Quinn is on her way up here soon. She knows ways to loosen her tongue.
And you don't want to find out how she does it.
She can do her work. I ain't talking. Period.
Listen to me. I just got word that Batman murdered 15 of my crew. Tore their heads off and ate their hearts. I know. What an animal. Better stop him before he hits someone else.
Just cut me loose. Fight me like a man.
I can sit here all night.
Yeah, just some dumb bitch for you to talk to. Nothing else.
Are you like You're not feeling the pressure as he takes you out one by one.
God! Found someone! Over here! Not you too! Circle him! Stop there!
Over here! Get us free! Thanks.
Where did Dr. Young go?
I told her to run. These guys came in looking for her. I told her to go to her office and hide.
Does she keep her records there?
I guess. She was pretty desperate to get in there. Her office is over there.
How?
20 minutes, maybe more. What's so important about the notes?
Joker wants them. That makes them important. Stay here. I'm going to find her.
Not a problem. I'll try the radio, see if anyone else is around.
Thanks for the help back there.
Arkham Control, can you hear me? Hello, hello. If anyone is on this channel, please respond. Hello, hello. Someone please respond.
Crazy. No way. They're all still breathing. Zaz never leaves anyone alive. We're staying here then?
I like it in.
You want some of this? Hello, hello. If anyone is on this channel, please respond.
Going after the notes yourself, eh, Bats? Good luck. I've got a crew working on the doctor as I speak. They'll squeeze the formula out of us soon enough. Not to mention the audience clown ready to place a bomb. One way or another, the formula will be mine. Why don't you just give up? Go on, roll over and die for once. Be your best friend.
That was one of the easy ones.
It's not gonna open.
Hold on. I think I've got it.
Yeah, you said that 10 minutes ago.
You can be the one to tell him I'm not gonna.
It'll be open any second. Damn it.
You're an idiot. Joker's not gonna be happy, and you know what that means.
Quiet. Just shut up. I'm trying. I'm trying.
Joker's thugs were trying to get into that office.
It looks like they couldn't get through the main door. Got to find a different way in.
Someone has already got to the safe. The only question now is, who opened it? No sign of forced entry. Whoever opened it knew the combination. Let's see. Good. Dr. Young got to her notes before Joker. She's taken them to hide somewhere. I need to follow her and find out where she put them. Oracle. I'm on Dr. Young's trail. I've had to calibrate the scanner to only show recent prints. If I follow these, I will find her or the notes.
I hope it works. Just so you know, the GCPD found one of Joker's bombs downtown. It was full of marzipan and kittens.
As I thought. It's just a twisted diversion. The real action's on Arkham.
Joker was right.
That's gonna hurt. Leave down the clock! Big dash through your
Patient interview 6. Dr. Crane has been back in custody for 3 weeks. Regular sessions have been inconclusive. I am not sure he is actually insane.
Good evening, Stephen. How are you tonight?
I'm conducting the session, Jonathan.
Of course. If that helps you cope, I wouldn't have it any other way.
Let's talk about the events 3 weeks ago. What did you think you'd achieve? Dr. Murphy is still in therapy.
I wanted to understand him. His personal demons, his fears. It's all quite fascinating, really.
But you were a respected doctor. A brilliant mind. Now just another resident in Arkham.
Can I have a drink? A strong one? This kind of question bores me.
I'm afraid not.
Interesting choice of words, Doctor. Tell me, what are you afraid of?
Patient interview 6. Dr. Crane has been back in custody for 3 weeks. Regular sessions have been inconclusive. I am not sure he is actually insane.
Good evening, Stephen. How are you tonight?
I'm conducting the session, Jonathan.
Of course.
So where they taking her?
No idea. Joker doesn't tell us his plan.
You hit like a girl. Let's finish this. It's the back!
Welcome to the Arkham Library. History is so important. A traumatic event here, a murder there. It's enough to drive anyone crazy!
Jeez! Don't let him hit you, idiot! Ow! This'll hurt him.
Challenge completed. Can you do more?
Oh, how frustrating. Thought it was going to be easy, didn't you? Has tonight taught you nothing? In 2 minutes, the room will fill with happy gas. The audience will be in fits of ecstasy, and then die. Do you really think I'd let you take the stairs? One minute 30 to go. Oh, gotta say, I'm getting bored already. Maybe I should just press the button and... Only joking. Remember the hostages? They're entering their final 60 seconds of remembering to breathe. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Just 30 seconds left. That runabout hasn't ruined that exclusive cartoon of yours.
Batman, get us out of here!
Thank you, Batman. Are they all gone?
Yes, you're safe. What happened?
It all happened so fast. Some patients broke in, began tearing up the place, like they were looking for something. Bill here fought back, but there were too many. They took Dr. Young. She rushed in here and they followed.
I'm sorry. When I came to, we were all tied up. Doc Young was gone. I heard a voice on one of the radios. It sounded like they were being told to meet in the warden's office.
So, Dr. Young was trying to hide her research notes on the formula when she was caught. Where did you hide them?
Oracle, I found Dr. Young's formula.
Great. So does that mean you've stopped Joker?
It's never this simple with him.
What's that you've got there, Bats? No, not the formula. What am I going to do? Who can help me now? What's that? How about our old friend Bats?
can't believe you insisted on sitting through that movie again, Bruce. Come on, we'll be late for Alfred.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
Go easy on him, Tom. He loved it so. Alfred will wait. Keep up, Bruce. Where are you taking us?
We can cut through here.
But it's starting to rain. Bruce is tired. Can't we just wait for him here?
Come on, keep up. We're nearly there.
Hold it there, man.
Please, there's no need for this.
Stay where you are. I'll shoot.
I'll give you whatever you want.
Tom! Oh God, Tom!
Be quiet, lady. Just shut up. Give me.
Stay away from me! Run! Mommy!
Come on, kid, this way. Take a seat in my office.
Is he okay?
He'll be fine. A kid like that with all that money, he'll be just fine.
Shut up. No. He's 8 years old and all alone. Money won't fix that.
Whatever you say, Gordon. His butler's on his way to pick him up. You hear that? He's got a butler.
I'm sorry about that. I just need to ask you some questions. Can I get you anything? You okay? I know you don't feel like answering me, but it's the only way to catch who did this.
Please do it, officer. Why?
I don't know. It's this city. There's something wrong with it. And listen, son. Call me Jim.
What are you doing, little bat? I know you're there. And at the end of fear, oblivion. There you are. You failed. Now suffer. There's no escape. miss you forever. I will break you. Everything you see is under my control. And at the end of fear, oblivion. Still, this won't hurt. You failed. Now suffer. this takes you. For your mind will shatter like glass. Oh, there you are. Has anyone seen the bat? Come on! Someone must have seen where he went. Big scary man, wears a cape, jumps out of the shadows and beats up useless thugs. Anyone? No? Good.
It's locked. I need to find another way down.
You try and get past me, Bats, and I will fry you!
Oh, there you are. I've been waiting for you. Listening to Saz make the good doctor scream while you played around in Scarecrow's world. How was it this time? Learn anything about yourself? Oh, tell me. Pull up a seat. I'm all ears. I could have sworn I heard Saz cutting her ears off. Certainly sounded like it.
Stay where you are, Batman.
Listen to me carefully.
Help me! Please, somebody help me!
Come any closer, and I'll paint the room crimson with her blood. I know you're still out there. Won't be long and you'll hear...
Now that was unexpected. Who'd have figured a deranged murderer would kill the poor little doctor? Too easy. Played you like a violin and cut your strings. Nighty-night, Bats.
Stay where you are, Batman. Listen to me carefully.
Help me! Please, somebody help me!
Come any closer, and I'll paint the room crimson with her blood. I know he's still up. Won't be long and you'll hear her final song.
Zaz, what are you talking about? Just kill her. She's useless to me now.
But if I kill her, the bat will get me.
No, you're not just a little bat, are you, Slicey?
Stay back, Batman. I mean it.
Yeah, stay back, Batman. You don't want more blood on your hands, do you?
I can see the veins in her neck throbbing. I can smell her sweat and tears as they run over her.
Now, that was unexpected. Who'd have figured a deranged murderer would kill the poor little doctor? Too easy. Played you like a violin and cut your strings. Nighty-night, Bats.
Stay where you are, Batman. Listen to me carefully.
Help me! Please, somebody help me!
Come any closer, and I'll paint the room crimson with her blood. Ugh!
You monster! You evil, evil, evil monster!
He's not going anywhere. You can stop now.
Sorry. I'm so sorry.
I saw Bane.
I know. Joker threatened me. I wanted to stop the experiment. I tried to give him his money back.
Joker doesn't take no for an answer.
He wants an army, a horrible, twisted force to destroy Gotham, but he couldn't do it without the formula. I hid it, but...
So now he has Venom and your formula.
God, he has gallons of the stuff. There's a lab, hidden in the gardens. It's locked off, but the security key codes for the entire island are in the warden's safe.
What else is Joker planning?
How should I know? You think anything he says makes sense? I think he's insane. Oh my God!
Get out of the way!
Poor Dr. Young. Still, you know how Mr. J hates a squealer. Talking about squealers.
Oh, somebody help me!
That old loony actually thinks he runs this place. Talk about crazy. Well, bad places to go. Get it, boys. If he gets up, knock him down, but not too rough. Mr. J needs him at the party.
You okay, buddy? Don't let him hit you, idiot! You want some of this?
Oracle, Dr. Young is dead. Have you figured out a way past these security gates? Before she died, she told me there's a production plant hidden somewhere in the gardens.
The Wayne Tech security protocols seem to be...
And destroyed by Joker in the safe explosion. Harley Quinn has the warden, and he's the only chance we have to get past these gates.
Okay, good luck.
So, you have given in and taken my map. I hope it proves useful.